That's China. It starts with a CH though. Chile, right there.
Reach the World Chicago is an educational nonprofit that links some of the inner city schools in Chicago's neediest neighborhoods with a real world expedition that's going around the world. What Reach the World does is it allows teachers to expand learning far beyond just what's in the classroom.
The kids that we work with don't have the opportunity to travel, to even get out of their neighborhood. So Reach the World gives those students an opportunity to see other parts of the world, to interact with other cultures, and also to get experience using technology in ways that they otherwise wouldn't.
While I was at Northwestern, I was lucky enough to meet a bunch of people through the Northwestern sailing team, and we decided that although we all had opportunities to do some incredible stuff when we graduated, we really wanted to make a difference, that we wanted to do something that had a little more impact on society. So we started looking around and trying to combine a lot of what we enjoyed and a lot of the opportunities that we had with a demographic that maybe didn't have those opportunities. So we decided that connecting some of these inner city students where there's a great need in Chicago with some real world experiences would be really cool. Reach the World was actually started in New York in 1997, so it's been over 9 years now that the program has been in existence.
The Big Team Regatta was a corporate sailing challenge that brought us $30,000 in money that's going to benefit the kids of Reach the World Chicago directly. Of the funds we raised from the Big Team Regatta, 95% will go directly to Reach the World Chicago's programs in the schools and working with our teachers. Starting this fall, we're going to launch the Voyage of Aldebaran. It's a 43-foot sailboat, and we're actually sailing around the world and taking these kids with us virtually through the internet.
We connect our classrooms with our website, which tracks the voyage and has different sections that have cruise journals and field notes about the different places they're visiting.
In addition, they do collaborative projects with the expedition team, so they actually get to interact with us. They get to help us decide where to go. It's a very interactive journey. They really have a personal connection to the expedition team.
In addition to the classroom visits, one of the great ways that we drive personal connections, and one of the things that's really powerful in our program, is our field trips.
In these days with funding cuts for everything that's not related to standardized testing, we can come in and offer exciting resources that still link to that standardized testing and learning standards.
Another aspect of our program is that we not only serve inner city students, but we also serve their teachers as well. The first is that we have interns program where we actually place college and graduate level students into our classrooms to work with our teachers to help them build technology skills as well as to help them integrate all of the internet resources into their curriculum. The second way we do that is through teacher professional development. We're working with a university here in Chicago to offer all of our teachers at a very highly subsidized rate graduate level course that helps them learn how to integrate technology and online curriculum into their classroom.
There's so much out there and so much to be excited about, and that feeling is what I want to help bring to these students that otherwise wouldn't get it. So Reach the World is a way for me to be able to do that.